Are you looking for the best RGB desks? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best RGB desks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Eureka Ergonomic L60 Gaming Desk. The Eureka Ergonomic L60 Gaming Desk is one of the most stylish RGB desks around. With a reversible L-shaped design that offers more than enough space for dual monitors and a unique RGB design, this RGB desk is guaranteed to stand out. Not only does the Eureka Ergonomic L60 Gaming Desk feature a unique design, but it also pushes style to the next level with an innovative music sync feature. It offers 27 different sync modes, syncing the RGB lights up with your speakers to offer total immersion. The L-shaped design of the Eureka Ergonomic L60 Gaming Desk is completely reversible, making it easier for you to find the perfect spot in your home. At number 2. Bestier L-shaped Gaming Desk. The Bestier L-shaped gaming desk isn't as bullseye with its RGB lights as some other RGB desks, but it does offer plenty of space to spread out your gaming or desktop setup. There are 2 monitor stands included, multiple shelves, a pull-out keyboard tray, and a storage bag. The RGB lights on this desk produce 7 different colors and 20 dynamic modes. Using the controller, you can change the settings on the fly as you game. You can also move the RGB strip to the second monitor stand if you wish. Plus, there's plenty of room to add your own RGB lighting post-purchase. You can choose between an L-shaped design or a straight desk, the choice is yours, and you don't need to purchase different products to achieve this. At number 3. Vivo GM48BG Gaming Desk. Boasting an incredibly stylish honeycomb design, the Vivo GM48BG Gaming Desk comes equipped with 6 colorful RGB options and 2 motion gradients. The desk can support up to 220 pounds and boasts a lightweight aluminum frame that makes it easy to move around. You can easily change the RGBs on this RGB desk by using the included remote. And, while the Vivo GM48BG Gaming Desk looks incredibly stylish, it's also very durable, thanks to its water-resistant coating. In addition, the Vivo GM48BG Gaming Desk comes with a cup holder and headphone hook, making it easy to keep your desktop looking clean and tidy. At number 4. Roland Star L-shaped Computer Desk. If you're looking for an epic RGB gaming desk that's spacious enough to house up to 4 monitors, the Roland Star L-shaped computer desk is a great choice. It's not as expensive as some of the RGB desks out there, plus it offers ample room compared to other L-shaped desks. Included are 4 power outlets and 2 USB ports for added convenience. Here you can charge your gaming gear or your smartphone, without taking up precious space in your home's power outlets. The LED strips offer unlimited colors and include 7 light modes to really set the scene. All in all, you're getting great bang for your buck here with the Roland Star L-shaped computer desk.